Where am I? Yes, you are right. I am in Yiwu warehouse. Today I will show you our Yiwu warehouse and how your package packed. In my hand is our quality check department. First station, quality check department. Here you can see our staff in check the quality, colors, and the styles. Here is our packing area. After checking the quality, we will scan the code and put them to each their own box. We will take orders from shelf and check the quality, color, styles again before we pack. Now we are in packing orders. In the end, we will check the volume and weight of the package. Here is our package area. You see your package we are ready to ship. This is our 24 shipping area.